Well, good morning, students. Our today's topic in our chapter is the features of economic policy, which we followed before 1991. It's mean before the LPG policy. What features our economic policy have? Okay, the very first point is having reliance on public sector. It shows that before 1991, our economy more dependent on public sector industry. Even our industry policy resolution of 1956 secures 17 industries for public sector. Later on, this number is reduced to 12, but the most of the sector is governed by the public sector industry. Okay, the second point is regulated development of private sector. It means to do business in private sector, new industry have to follow the licensing and registration process for their establishment and for their expansion of business, or to do business there are many restrictions, which shows that private sector in our economy before 1991 do not have a free hand to regulate its business, to operate its activities. Now move to the third point, that protection of small scale industry and regulation of large scale industry. Well, protection of small scale industry before 1991, our economic policies protect small scale industries from competition outside the industry, which are outside of our economy. It means our small scale industry were protected, but our large scale industry were regulated through various acts. What means regulated? Here regulated means simply means that through licensing and through various restrictions it is governed to operate its business. Now one more thing we have to learn here, that the major large scale industry was regulated through MRTP. What is MRTP? MRTP is Monopolistic and Restrictive Trade Practice Act. The full form of this MRTP must be known to you. It may become in short or MCQs. Fourth point is focus on saving and investment. Well, before 1991, the more focus is on saving and along with the investment. To promote saving, high interest rate is offered who save money in bank. Okay, while investment were also facilitated with lots of subsidies and capital grant. Our economic policy before 1991. Now fifth point is protecting from foreign competition. Our local industry is being protected from foreign competition. It's all because the trade, the internal trade is more promoted. Let's suppose this circle is our economy and industry, these small circles are industries within the country. These arrow mark are the competitors or the industry which are outside the economy, but these are not facility to come in our economy and trade here. Okay, so these circle, these is internal industry get safer side to get make themselves safe for being competed in the market from the competition. Now sixth point is focus on import substitute. Now what focus we implied in our economy, that there are more substitute. What goods we have to import from other market or other economy. Our country wishes to produce that goods from the domestic market only. It means those products which are imported from abroad, जो बाहर से मंगाए जाते थे, country wishes or our economic policy wish to produce that good within the domestic territory of our country. So we try to substitute the import product from our production only. Restriction on foreign capital. It simply means that foreign capital is not favored by the economic policy. Loans from abroad given higher priority than foreign direct investment. ओके, सो देयर आर फ्यू पॉइंट्स. ये कुछ पॉइंट थे जिसमें हमारे सामने हमारी इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी दैट वी मेंटेन बिफोर 1991. ओके, ट्राई टू मेक नोट इन योर कॉपी.